Hey guys, welcome to KB Tutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to see how we can read CSV files. So in this case I have a one large CSV file as you can see on the screen. Now we are going to see how we can read all the contents in the CSV file. I am going to prepare a one more version on top of this video. So I hope you guys watch that as well. So first let me show you the output, then we'll see how we can implement it from the scratch. Here is a one small program which I have developed. So now you could see it started printing all the data from the CSV file. Okay, so what are all the libraries that I have used in this demo is simple OpenCSV. So OpenCSV 5.4 is a library that I have used, so you can also use this. Then we'll see how we can implement it from the scratch. So I have one CSV file, as you can see this one, which is actually of how many records I have. I have one, so I have 13,933 records I have. Okay, so let me implement it from the scratch. CSV reader IMPL, that is implementation. Okay, so in the pom.xml you could see I am using OpenCSV. Here let me take one so my CSV reader, let me write one reusable function here. So public static list, which is containing string array, because this name each and every line I can put as a list, which is number of lines, and each and every line I have these many fields which I can separate with the help of string array, right? So I am returning list of string array. Here let me write some function called read CSV, which is going to take reader as an input. Don't worry, that we are going to handle. Okay, then let me try to import the reader, which is from Java IO list from util class. Then it is asking for the return statement, so let me add that. As I said, we are going to use CSV reader, so take that equal to new CSV reader of reader method. Now import your CSV reader here. CSV reader. Okay, this is a for, let me take something like read. Okay, now I have read dot here, read all function I have. Okay, so I am going to use this one for this demo. So as I said, it is going to return list of string array. So let me take something like this. Now it is going to return IO exception. Now I'll simply need to return this line, and I need to close this and CSV reader as well. Now it's time to pass our CSV file from the main method. So reader something like this is equal to new file reader, and the file is here. So let me try to copy this path in this path. So file reader, which is I have imported, and I am importing file not found exception in case the file is not there. Now this is a static method, so I don't need to create an object for the class. I simply need to use this method, read CSV sending reader file, reader object, which is going to return the list containing string away. So let me take something like this, data. Right, now in order to print, we need to see how we can how we can iterate the list containing string array. I have prepared another video on this concept, so if you don't know how to iterate list containing string array, I strongly recommend you to go and watch that video as well. So now simply take string array, which is of lines having the data. So here the data means the collection of lines, right? So each line, again we can use something like this, dot length I plus plus. That means what I am doing is, at each and every string array I am extracting the string out of it, right? Now let me print this one. Lines of I. After the for loop, I can use println simple, so that for every new line I am printing onto a new line here. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept here. Simply using the CSV reader, read all, I am preparing this demo. Okay, if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Now let us see the output here. You could see each and every line being displayed here. Now you could see there is no spacing, so I'll simply add one space here and try to run this. Using OpenCSV, I am implementing this demo, guys. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I need your support, and do hit that like button so that most people can view this video on the YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.